Ooh, how y'all are some more. I'm glad for you to see me, I guarantee. What's up, guys and gals, YouTube people? Showing off the new taillights. I went ahead and got these boogers put on the other day. If you've seen my last video, you know I had little difficulty. Not really difficulty, I just happen to like to lose nuts. But see, I got my little cheat sheet out here because they're called Morimoto Facelift XB for the 13 to 14 Mustang and also for the 10 to 12 Mustang. And they're just basically plug and play. But and now we're getting the wind. I was facing away from the wind when I got here. Now it's changed around. I hope you can hear me. But when you put in these tail lights, or any tail lights, or have to remove them for any reason, and if you got the shaker sound system like I do, man, you cannot hardly get your hand in there. At least my hands can't get in there to get the nut off. Or you can get them off, but twice now I've dropped that 11mm booger right down there and had to go hunt it down. So from now on, if I'm ever going to mess with tail lights or anything back here, I'm taking this speaker out and the amp, which is on a bracket right behind it, because I know I'm going to drop it again. So anyway, happy with the tail lights. I know everybody's fond of the factory 13 to 14 headlight or tail lights, and I'm going to hang on to them. And you know, because you never know about me, I might put them back in, but I doubt it. I might sell them. I know it's a nice upgrade for the 10 to 12. But there they are, and they work fine. I think they go good with the deep impact blue, kind of a blackout treatment. It looks better at night, but they work. Sequentials all work and everything. The backup lights work, and the fitment was just wonderful. No issues at all, except for that dang 11mm nut. But now I'm starting to sound like an Okie. But just wanted to show them off out here. And we're going to do a little sightseeing and take some pictures and get on down the road. But it's a beautiful day here in Oklahoma at the base of Mount Scott in the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge at their little picnic ground on a beautiful 70-degree Monday morning. Cold front came in yesterday. The wind blew, so the car is actually full of dust, even if it doesn't show it on camera. It's pretty dusty. But there you go. Nothing new to report. I had that little noise that was coming out of the right front, a little pop once in a while. I've tightened up everything I could on the suspension and everything, and I'm still not sure what caused it, but it went away after I took things apart. It may have been the dust shield on the back of the rotor. I don't know. I moved it out and gave it a little more clearance. I snugged up the top strut nut as tight as it would go to where it bottomed out, you know. It was just a little bit of play in this side over here, so I don't know if that's what it was, but it's gone, so we're good. So we'll let y'all get out of here, or I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna drive around a little bit, take some pictures. Might go through Medicine Park, Oklahoma. I don't know yet. I'm just looking at my exhaust tip. Looks like this right side is kind of eased its way over to the left a little more than than the left side. But I've never had to go back and adjust them, but I might have to play around with that one if I don't get a new exhaust system. Never know about me. Anyway, guys and gals, there you go. Like I said, they working good, and happy with them. Good fitment. They did a good job. So we'll see you guys on down the road. And like I always say, zoom zoom.